I love a good review, and especially I love a good air fryer, and even more any kind of kitchen gadget, as I go nuts for them. Cosori did send me this air fryer over here. It's a Cosori Iconic air fryer. We're gonna make some chicken. We're gonna make some croissants in there. We're gonna make some good food in there. Go ahead and share it with you guys and tell you exactly what I think about it.
Now, this is the machine straight out of the box, and I will tell you the way it was boxed up just makes it look like they put a lot of care into this machine. The box is very high end, and it came bagged up in a nice cotton bag that's going to keep everything protected and all the stainless steel clean. The crisper plate that comes with it also comes in one of those cotton bags and has 4 legs that's going to have it sit about an inch above the bottom so that airflow goes in it very well. That's going to help your food stay nice and crispy with the correct airflow, since air frying actually depends on the fan moving the airflow through it. There's a ton of features that come with this model here. It is very high end. One extra feature that I actually haven't seen on any air fryers before, and I have seen a plenty of air fryers. Before we dive into this is PFAS-free, Teflon-free, and ceramic coating, since we are moving away from these kinds of things that are just not very good for us these days. So you're going to have the stainless steel through it. You're going to have the glass top at the top. The top is going to have all kinds of different directions for you. You can remove that when you're ready. And by the way, it does come with an app too. I haven't downloaded the app yet. So in here, you're going to be able to air fry, roast, bake, dry, proof, and reheat. And I'm going to go through each one of those to tell you exactly what that means. Temperature also in the machine goes from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's stainless steel all around. You want to leave it about 5 inches all the way around with nothing around it. Back of the machine will have, this is where the air will be coming out of, so that does get hot, so be careful with that being too close to the back or touching it. Now the controversial part, do we use the liners or do we not use the liner? Here's the thing, when you are air frying, you're depending on the air to circulate through the machine, so liners may prohibit that. If you are using it as an air fryer, if you want to use a liner, what you can do is get those perforated ones where they have the holes in the middle, so that you're still getting some air in there. Now, when I make chicken in an air fryer, what I do is I do add some onion, cinnamon, and bay leaf in there just to make sure that it's coming out fresh and getting rid of any of that grease in there. It just tastes so much better. If you are using an air fryer, you don't want to do it dry. You do want to use a little bit of oil. You're not deep frying, but you do want to use a little bit of oil in there. You can spray or use a brush. I like to use in there avocado oil for the healthy fats in there. So when air frying, here's the feature they've added on there. They've added a shake button. That button on there is going to remind you to shake the food during air frying halfway through, so it does come out crispier. It also comes with a booklet with all the instructions how to set up everything, and comes out with a great recipe book that has some delicious recipes in there, all curated by professional chefs. And you go ahead and look through the manual that comes with it to make sure you know everything you need to know about the machine. As per the heat from the outside, the drawer is going to be a little bit warmer. The top is going to be cool. It's not going to be affected. The side is going to be a little bit warmer, but still perfectly fine to the touch. Now, the back I wouldn't touch because the back does usually get a little bit hot. The machine also comes with a 5-year warranty. And here's the chicken nice and crispy in there. I'm going to throw out all the onions and all that other stuff. I just wanted to show you guys how I make my chicken. It's going to come out nice and crispy, and when you cut through it, it's still moist from the inside, yet completely cooked through. All right, now we're going to dig into one of my favorites, some croissants. Okay, so we did not go with fresh dough because I'm not making fresh dough right now. But here we go with the croissants. I just opened up one of those Pillsbury open croissants. It was a Kroger brand, I think, although I made some with cream cheese and some with a great mixture called za'atar. I'm still playing around with the timings on there, so I did put it at bake, and I put it at 14 minutes in there. Although next time what I would do is reduce the heat on it and reduce the time a little bit so that it cooks from the inside before the outside so much. But these were really good, really, really good. Now the drawer for this is dishwasher safe. So if you want a quick cleanup, I don't usually do that. I do it by hand because it does take quite a bit of room. You can just put it in the dishwasher and clean it, but it's really easy to just clean it by hand. Let's also talk about the different settings that this machine has, because it does also have a dry feature. And what the dry feature does is it's going to help you make some beef jerky, dried apricots, dried apples. So it's going to work more of a dehydrator. Another feature is the proof feature that you see right here. This is where you're going to actually be able to proof your bread so you can have it rise the way you want it at the specific temperature, I think. So you don't actually need a different machine or anything for that, which is perfect. We also have the air fry, the roast, the bake, and the reheat features on there. Temperature is going to adjust in there depending on which one you choose, and it is also going to adjust the fan speed depending on which one you choose. Let's go ahead and take a listen of how loud it is. It's actually the quietest air fryer I've heard. I'm quite happy with this air fryer. Thank you, Cosori, for sending it to me. I will leave links in the description if you guys want to check it out. We'll be trying more things in this air fryer as we go. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like the video.